saw her, I mean, that was a different world for me. Okay. She was just like this much small, and I took her in my arms, and I just thank God for giving me the best gift of my life.
Suneet, you are my first son. Okay. So like after marriage, we had not had child for a longer time. So like whole family was waiting for you.
इतना खुश हुआ और वो देखा मैंने पहले मिठाई लाने के लिए पैसा दे के भेज दिया, पहले मिठाई ले आओ।
And I remember first day when I leave you there in the classroom, you were so, itna roya, itna you cried so much. You call my papa, call my papa.
So you were very naughty. You used to like break things, like you break the pencils. You were like tear the books. So you'll have a lot of complaints from the school.
मुझको बहुत बड़ा सपना था कि मेरा एक अपना घर हो। मेरा सपना तुमने पूरा कर दिया।
When she started crawling, still remember that moment, and I'll always remember that moment in my life when she started crawling, and she was saying like she was roaring like a tiger, and she was crawling. So that was the special moment in my life, and we will never forget that moment.
जब मेरे पास लेटर आया कि आप रक्षित को नेशनल अवार्ड के लिए चुना गया है, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय इन द ईयर ऑफ 2000, कौन सा था नीटू? 2016. दे कॉल्ड अस, मम्मी तेरी मदर को और मेरे को उन्होंने, दे हैव इनवाइटेड अस इनटू द शास्त्री भवन वेयर आवर एक्स प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर प्रणब मुखर्जी, उन्होंने आपको नेशनल अवार्ड दिया। आई वॉज सो प्राउड। मेरा उससे ज़्यादा मेमोरेबल दिन मेरे को अभी तक कभी खुशी नहीं मिली जिस दिन तुम्हें अवार्ड मिला था, नेशनल अवार्ड।
So initially you are very much interested in the games and all. So then I thought, okay, you will be more technically good for like in the future for the country as well as for whole family. So I recommended you for learning robotics or the programming initial stages, and you started with picking up Python very well. So I really felt happy about it, that. And then later on we also recommended for the latest language like Golang and all, and even like you took the initiative of it and you are learning it, and I'm really feel proud of it. I hope you will become a very good citizen for the country and will prove some innovations for the country.
हमको याद है आपके साथ मेरा पहला मेमोरी, मतलब हमारे नेबर के पास मतलब उन्होंने अपने बेटा के लिए कैरम बोर्ड ला के दिया था। हम आपसे बहुत जिद कर रहे थे, रो रहे थे कैरम के लिए। आपको बहुत दिक्कत था, आपको ऑफिस जाना था। आप ऑफिस नहीं जाकर मेरे साथ शॉप में जाकर हमको कैरम बोर्ड दिलाए थे खेल। तो मतलब वही मेरा पहला मेमोरी है जो आपके साथ। हाँ, पर हमको बहुत पसंद था वो गेम और आप दिलाए थे।
I was around 3 years old, and you used to take me to National Association of the Blind R.K. Puram School. I hated the idea of going to school. I was almost, crying whenever I came to know that I have to go to the school. I remember you took 1 month off from office. You made sure that I stood in the assembly, and I still remember you were standing with me right there with all the kids in the assembly with the teachers.
आप हमेशा मेरे लिए अवेलेबल रहते थे। मतलब हमको जो भी गेम्स पसंद था आप मेरे साथ खेलते थे, चाहे बैडमिंटन हो, बीट, क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, इंडोर गेम्स में भी कैरम, चेस। हम लोग हमेशा, मतलब आप हमेशा अवेलेबल है। ऑफिस से आने के बाद हमेशा आप मेरे साथ, हम जब भी पढ़ाई करते रहते थे आप हमको मतलब यू ऑलवेज कॉल्ड मी, ओके नाउ लेट्स प्ले दिस गेम एंड ऑल। और मतलब इस वजह से हमको कभी मतलब लगा नहीं कि अगर हम सोसाइटी में कुछ फ्रेंड्स नहीं हैं तो कभी उसका कमी नहीं लगा। मतलब आपके साथ आप हमेशा अवेलेबल थे, तो खेल में चाहे पढ़ाई में, तो हमको मतलब कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मतलब कोई और दोस्त होना भी चाहिए।
Being a person with disability, you never you ensured that I was treated like any other kid. I used to go for my swimming classes. I cycled on the road.
Yes.
I played with my fellow friends. So you made sure that whatever comfort and things that my brother got, you gave me those. You treated both of us equally. That is one ability that I really like about you.
सारे पिलोज नीचे गिरा के एक एनवायरनमेंट बना के अपना प्ले एरिया बना के मैं बेड पे कूदता था. तो सेम थिंग अभी हमारा भी वैसा ही करती है.
So definitely I would like to acknowledge that I am a carbon copy of my dad, and my dad has been a very inspirational for me, and he's someone who is always willing to help people. So his attitude is like that he would leave no stone unturned when it comes to helping people and doing something for others.
After all this, I'm really proud of you, and I really love you a lot.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आज ये मुकाम पे जिस हिसाब से तुम पहुँचे. Really, from my heart, I love you.
Thank you for being my father. I love you, Dad.
I too.
So I would like to say a quote that I really feel for, and the quote goes like that: I got all the drive from my mother, but Papa, I am able to visualize all the dreams that I had through you. We love you.
Do you love me? Yeah? I love you too, Papa.